Okay, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. This is what we're going to be making today. So I've got 2 pieces of walnut, 1 piece cut in half, and we're going to glue this up, and we're going to be carving the angel figures out of this piece. And I've strategically placed the knot behind the head because it's going to be up higher. Not happy about the knot, but I think it'll work out. So, hang on. Let's get our glue on. Now as I put a pipe, a little wedge, who knows? Okay, so one more. Okay, so this is the project that we're going to be making. This is actually going to be a Christmas gift for Mrs. Devil. Let's take a look. And that's me, the fallen angel, and that's Mrs. Devil. I wanted to do it out of beech, but yeah, that didn't work out. So we're doing it out of just that walnut slab, which is drying. The glue's drying as I speak. So that's what we're working on. Oops, wrong button. Here's the file. I found the file on the internet. The size of the drawing right now is set at 11 inches wide and 16 inches high, with a depth of 1785, which is what the 2 walnut boards glued up should come out to be. We'll measure that when the glue dries. So that being said, if you look down here, you'll see coordinates, and you'll see the Z coordinate on the right down here. Is inches 17 to the top, 550 thousandths to the top here, 0.17 from the top. I think her chin is probably the highest. Nope. The nose, maybe? Well, I guess her chin is. These are up there too. 0.1, 0.2. So here's your highest point, which you can see when I tip it. Don't be juvenile. And then we got the wings. Actually, yeah, the wings are slightly below. Yep. Look at those mountains. We got a high point here. What's this too? Is this the wing? Half an inch. At the bottom is 1.3. And if you remember, we went with 1.7. So we'll have a little bit of a background left over when we're done cutting. The tool paths, standard stuff, roughing paths, material boundary. So that's going to take out all this over here. If we went with model boundary, it would go around the edge like this. So we're going to material boundary. I've already saved it. And then we're going to go excuse me. Then we're going to go with the 1/8 inch finish material boundary again. We're going to smooth this out as well as the carving. Then after that, we're going to go with a 1mm ball. Smooth it out some more out here as well as the image itself. And then we're going to finish with the 1/2 millimeter radius ball. This one we're going to do just the model boundary for time. So it's going to just go around. It's just going to do this part right here. It's not going to do out here. After that, we can look at the times it's going to take. Looks like we're 5 hours in, which is going to turn into 10 on this machine, most likely. And then we're going to output our G code one at a time. Boom, 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 boom. After that, we're going to go to, we're going to use Candle to output the G code to the machine, and I'll take a screenshot when I get to that point. But right now, the screen recorder is locked to the screen, to this program. So, that being said, I hope it comes out good, and I hope she likes it. A symbol of our love. I'll get all sappy while I'm clicking on there. Alright, enough of that. Let's get back to building. Welcome back. It is now 24 hours later. Yes, that is a Model T generator, but it is really heavy. And I wanted to get the weight in the middle of the board, because we're going to carve it and I don't want it to come apart. I don't want the image to lift. So I'll get these out of the clamps, and I guess the next step is to put it in the mill and start cutting. Okay, we're back on the Angel project. Got my boards glued up, but ran into a little bit of an issue here. Even with the weight on it, I have no idea what happened. Looks like it's connected in here just a little bit, but the edge is curved out. The other side was alright. We're home in the machine. I've got